Okay, we'll be looking at the practice question for chi-square test. Okay, so you are given this cross between a plant with red flowers and a plant with white flowers, or the F1 had red flowers. Okay, selving of the F1 produces 64 with red flowers and 14 with white flowers. Okay, so with that, right, let's set the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference between the observed and expected data, and that the observed data follows the 3:1 ratio that we expect. Okay? And that any small differences are due to chance. So this is the null hypothesis. Then we will do the calculation for the expected numbers, right? Because it's expected to be 3:1. So the expected numbers would be 60:20, right? For the total of 80 offspring. So observed numbers is slightly different with 66 and 14 instead. Okay, then we will calculate the chi-square value using the formula given in the notes. So the chi-square value, calculated chi-square value, would be 2.4 in this case. Right, then next we will find the theoretical chi-square value using the table of probability. So we call that there are two ways to use the table of probability. We are using the first method, right, comparing with the theoretical chi-square value. Okay, so there are two phenotypes. So degree of freedom is 2 minus 1, 1. We know that the standard probability is 0.05, so therefore using the table, your theoretical chi-square value is 3.84. So now you compare the calculated chi-square with the theoretical chi-square value, right? So the calculated chi-square value is smaller than the theoretical chi-square value. A smaller chi-square value means that the probability is higher than 0.05. Right, so probability is higher than 0.05. It is likely that the differences are due to chance and not significant. Therefore, we do not reject the null hypothesis. The observed data still follows the expected 3:1 ratio. Right? Okay, so this would be the practice question.